Hi students, we are now in our next module, but I want to go back and show y'all just a reminder back here. I extended the deadline on this, the self-evaluation assignment that is here in this module. Make sure you do that because that is going to be part of your project grade, your writing project grade. So I have extended this deadline, and if you have not done this assignment, you need to do so because you do not want a 0 on this assignment. Okay, just FYI. The next module, we are building upon our, we're continuing the self-evaluation process, and we're kind of focusing a little more on all the feedback, not just what AI gave us. So you have several sources of feedback, right? You're going to have feedback from me when I return those to you, and then you are going to use that feedback to figure out what areas you need to improve. And so that's what we're focusing on. And we're also going to be focusing on revision as a part of the writing process to kind of help you understand this part of the writing process, and some strategies you can use to revise, and some other important considerations about revising, like what is the purpose, what are strategies, how can this help me, how do I figure out what I need to do. Those type of questions should be answered this week. So you do have you have a smart book and an adaptive learning assignment this week to help you with those concepts, to help you learn, identify those important things about revision and editing. They are similar, but they're at the similar point of the writing process, but they're slightly different. So just so you can understand some of the differences between those two. I do have a video here with some check your knowledge questions to help you kind of make sure you understand what you need to know from this video. That just kind of helps frame revision for you and kind of give you an understanding of it before you go into those smart book assignments. So make sure you do that first. And then you have I have given you a revision guide, and you'll have something from me too to reflect on, but this is something you can use now. Think of it, it's kind of like the checklist I gave you, but I aligned this a little more with the rubric that I used to give you an evaluation. So this is kind of breaking everything down. So if you aren't sure what you can use, I made this to where you can print it or download it, and you can use it like a checklist, or however, to help you assess your own draft and figure out where are my strengths, where are my weaknesses. Okay, so you do have that. Now, I have also posted that guide here too in the journal assignment, just for accessibility in case you want to use it for this, because I would recommend you use that for this assignment. This journal assignment is going to ask you to look at the feedback, compare, contrast it, identify the areas you want to improve. So I did put the guide here too to help you. It's just not as, you have to kind of download it to access it here, whereas in the other part of the module it kind of pops open. So you just have that handy to help you do this journal assignment, and then we're going to have you submit your revision. I have not posted that assignment link yet because I do not want y'all to rush in and do it. I don't want you to submit the paper just to get it done. I want you to go through these other assignments first. So focus on those now, and then I will release the assignment link on Friday to give you a little time to kind of space those out. Okay, so make sure you look at that, and then once we wrap up this, we are starting our kind of next topic for the next writing project this week with our guest speaker meeting in class, and then we will proceed from there to some readings on the same topic, and you'll be writing on a different topic. So we're moving on, but we are wrapping up this process, and the next one we do will be at a faster pace. So this first project is to just kind of help you get through everything and make sure you understand all the parts of the writing process. And now we're going to move on to another assignment where you will kind of practice those skills again. And I will reach out to y'all when with updates on that assignment link. So stay tuned. Keep in touch. If you have any questions, please reach out. Have a great week, everyone.